Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to build a website with Wix. In order to do that, head over to manage.wix.com and then click on this create new site right here. So once you have clicked on that, you should be able to see the free website builder by Wix wherein you can use AI or you can also not use AI in this case. So if you want to not use AI, you can click on this setup without chat. So it's totally up to you in that case. Now in here, you're just choosing here what kind of website you're actually creating. For example, choosing here a restaurant website and then from in there, head over and click on this continue. Once you have clicked on continue, it will prepare your dashboard, but first you need to choose some themes that they have available for this case. So just wait for this right here. So it will ask you what is your business name. For example, let's put in here Tiara Food. Then from there, click on this continue right here. Now you can also add some Wix apps that's actually customized on which type of choice or website you choose. For example, for me, since I chose a restaurant website, I will have restaurant menus, food orders, and table reservations. Click on continue right here and then click on continue to dashboard. Now, once you have continued to your dashboard, you should be able to see a lot more settings as well. So we have in here this home page, sales, and all of these things right here. So first, you can head over and click on this design site right here in order to design your website. So once you have done that, you can generate design with AI or you can also customize a template. For example, for this case, let's head over and click on this generate a design. And then this will show us this AI. As you can see right here, there will generate a site for you. So on this site right, you should be able to see what it looks like and it will also chat you based on the things that you want. So it actually gives you a lot of for things that is actually customized for your site. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below. I'll try my best to answer. Thanks.